Welcome to Advanced Database Management System. In this section, we discuss about time series databases, characteristics of time series data, why time series databases, how time series databases work, future trends. Let's enjoy. Time series databases. Sequential nature, timestamps, regular intervals, high volume and velocity. Examples of time series data, such as sensor data, financial data, IoT data. Traditional databases versus time series databases. Key advantages: optimized storage and retrieval, efficient time-based queries, scalability for large volumes of data, support for real-time analytics, specialized data modeling for time series data. Overview of architecture: data model for time series data, storage optimization techniques, e.g., downsampling, compression, querying and analysis capabilities, continued growth of time series data, advances in time series database technology, integration with machine learning and AI for predictive analytics, use of time series data in edge computing and IoT. Thanks for watching the Advanced Database Management System lesson. Hope you enjoy the lesson. To learn more about Database Management System, please check the next lesson. Never stop learning. Thanks once again to enjoy the lesson.